In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks to Outlook email messages. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn plain text into clickable links so your emails look cleaner and more professional. Start by opening your web browser and going to outlook.live.com. If Outlook opens to your calendar or another view, no problem. Look for the Mail option in the left sidebar and click it to switch to your inbox. Once you're in Mail, click New Mail to open a fresh message. This brings up the Compose window where you can add your recipient, subject, and message. Click into the message body, sometimes called the description area. This is where your email content lives. Type the text you want to turn into a link. For example, if you're linking to a video site, you might type the word YouTube instead of pasting a long URL. Using clear, descriptive words for your link text helps readers know what they're clicking and keeps your email neat. Now select the text you just typed so Outlook knows which words will become the hyperlink. At the top of the Compose window, find the toolbar and click the Insert Link or Insert Hyperlink button. If you don't see the word Insert, look for the small chain link icon that opens the hyperlink dialog. In the field labeled Web Address or URL, paste or type the full address you want to link to. Make sure it includes the beginning of the address like HTTP so Outlook recognizes it as a valid link. Double check for typos here. A small mistake can send people to the wrong page or break the link entirely. When you're confident the address is correct, click OK to apply the link. Your selected text should now appear underlined and formatted as a clickable hyperlink. If you hover over it, you'll typically see a preview of the URL, which is a quick way to confirm it's set correctly. A few quick tips before you send. Keep your display text short and meaningful, like view the schedule or download the report rather than click here. If you need to change the link later, just click the linked text in your draft and look for the option to edit or remove the hyperlink. And if you're sending to people outside your organization, it's a good idea to test the link by opening it in a new tab first. That's it. Go to outlook.live.com, compose a new email, type the text you want, insert the hyperlink, enter the URL, and click OK. You now know how to add hyperlinks to Outlook email messages quickly and cleanly.